I'm going to show y'all how to do a oil change on a Honda 420, or the way that I do it at least. Let me just take these off real quick. So now you need all you're gonna need is a 8mm and a 17mm. Then let's get into it. Here's the hard part. Breaking that loose. I'm just using a little old raggedy bucket right here. Just to your hands are gonna get dirty. And then the nut is the one right in the middle. I'm just go ahead and take out this dipstick. Get my other hand ready. It's about there. Then while you let that drain, just get this thing over here. Just set it in a place where you won't forget it. Set it right there. And then I just found a couple old rags. Then you want to set it up over here by your oil filter. That's it right there. Just get everything over here because it's going to make a mess. I can tell you that. Now I changed my oil about 6 hours ago on this rig, so it ain't gonna be too bad of looking. All these nuts are the same, they're all the same size, so ain't no worries about mixing them up. Now this oil should be, yep, still draining a little bit. But scoot that thing back a little bit more. Just pull it off. Shouldn't be that too hard. Well, might have jinxed myself. Cardboard box. Now this is the part that matters. See that little black ring? You want it face towards you. And if it ain't like that, you're gonna have some fun. And this ain't about to be any fun with my hands so greasy. I just want to get back up under here. And screw them back in. Just move your previous oil over there. This is a good time to clean all your pine straw up under here. And you just want to put a little bit of force on it, not a lot. Then you're good to go. That bucket almost broke in my face. Could have been bad. Just want to get that out. Clean it off, of course. Then just get all three of these over here. Now it calls for 3 quarts, but I'm gonna do 2.5. Let it run, and then do it with 3. Now this is about to be fun.
Alright, one down. I don't know if my hair's in the camera. 1,000 subs, I'll get a mullet. Y'all heard it first. I can get this little joker off. Two down. Now you're turning purple. Just for a stinking YouTube video.
I will leave a link in the description of where I got the oil and the oil filter and the washer, so y'all can be set for y'all's next ride. It's so cold out here. Looking good, like always. Alright, if y'all liked the video and it helped y'all, leave a like and subscribe.